way to the vets. Little man in the back, Neo. Hi, you see the peoples? He going to get his second round of shots. They give him like cheese whiz, the squirt cheese, when they give him the shots, so he don't really even care. As long as he gets some cheese, he happy. This is his second doctor's appointment, vet appointment. So yeah, we headed there now. Okay, y'all, why did I forget the poop bag? I had to bring a sample of his poop and I forgot. I had to turn around real quick and go get his poop. Oh my God. Crazy. I had to go get it, and then the mail lady was out there. She was looking at me like, what in the hell is she doing out there? But I told Neo, I said, why don't you sit down or lay down, because you're doing too much in the back. And he sat down. He listened too. I was like, okay, good boy. He said, I'm learning. You have to text when you get here to say you here, and then they tell you when to come in. So I guess it's a little different. The protocols have changed, I guess. But Neil's being a good boy. He's getting some shots today. So they're going to check his poop to see if he has any worms. And they're going to give him his shots. All right, we're going in. All right, we're going in the location. Okay. All right. Yeah, you don't like strangers.
Oh, now you want it. Hi. You scared, puppy? Huh? You scared, this puppy? Real quick.
Okay, keep going. He does not like strangers, boy. I'm just starting to notice that he does not like strangers. Yeah, you don't like them strangers? He looks a little wild, but he is going to be going to the groomer soon. It's just that I set it up so it's like another week or so. He's going to be going to the groomers because he does need his like hair trimmed out his face a little bit. Yeah, she said he's a pound overweight. I'm like, wow. I did think he was getting a little fat too, so I think I'm going to slow down a little bit on his food. But I didn't think he ate that much. Yeah, you big boy. You're like, what is that thing? She listened to hearts. Okay, you go get your shots.
Get your right in the mouth.
Oh wow. He is too much.
Careful.
Okay, he's all done. He got his rabies shot. He got his heartworm medicine. Time to go. Dang, I thought my Jeep was dirty. Y'all know I got a Jeep, but they Jeep dirty. Okay, y'all, so today Neo has a groomer's appointment. And I'm so excited because I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know how he's gonna behave. Your girl got braids too. You guys weren't expecting that, was y'all? So I look a little different today. I'm kind of in a hurry, so I need to go ahead and get him out of his cage. He's in the cage right now because I had to clean up a little bit. He would not let me clean up. Every time you try to wipe something, he goes to grab the paper towel. So I put him in the cage just for like 10 minutes so I could clean up a little bit. But I made his food. I thought it'd be good to have his food made before we went to his appointment, of course. So this is what I did today. I didn't do the, he had this last night, but I just gave him the meat. This is what I've been feeding him, like the fresh pet. And I just made him that, and I mashed it up with a fork. And then he really likes cucumbers, y'all. He really does. And then I'm gonna take his treats, just in case I need them. I don't know why I might need them, but I thought about going to the mall later. And y'all not gonna believe it, I bought him a stroller. Oh my God, I already went to the mall with him once with a stroller, and that's why I bought these. These are like little rings, and they're kind of like rawhides, but they're not rawhides because they say rawhides aren't really that good for them. But yeah, so I bought them, like when he's in the stroller, he can like just have one of those. But anyways, I'm gonna let him go pee, and I'm going to feed him his food, and then we're gonna head out to his groomers. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do. There go that man. There he is, and we're about to go to groomers. Okay, so let's go eat your food. Yes, sweet man, yes. Can you do stairs or no? He's been learning the stairs, so I don't know if he can do them. Good boy. Mommy help you? Mommy help you? Say stairs are so scary and I don't like them stairs. Mommy carry me. Mommy carry me. Okay, I'm gonna carry him today. Come on. All right, go eat your foods. Good boy. All right, so he's gonna eat his food, and then we're gonna head over. I gotta go get his little kennel. He loves sticks. He brings a stick in every day. You guys need their rabies shots if you're gonna go take him to the groomer. So I got his rabies, proof that he got his rabies shot in here. And he's going to Petco, so yeah, you need that if you're gonna take him to the groomers at his age. You know, they wanna know that he had his rabies shot. So he did. Okay, in the car now. There he is back there. He probably can't even see that seatbelt is right in his face. Yeah, hi there, man. Hi, I'm sorry I put that right over your area to see. Basically, I want to tell you guys the good things and the bad things. The good, bad, and the ugly on, you know, owning a puppy, pet, whatever. So, now Neo, if you guys, hopefully I put this vlog together where I put the first part of him going to the vet. So basically this was his second vet appointment that he just went to. Okay, so let me go back. You guys, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go back. But basically he had a vet appointment, his first vet appointment, pretty much after I got him. I can't remember, it was like a week after I got him maybe. Now that at that vet appointment, the lady asked me, she said, did you bring in a fecal sample for us to test? And I said, no, the lady on the phone did not tell me to bring in one. I didn't know I was supposed to bring in one. So she was like, oh, okay, well, it's okay, but when you come back in 3 weeks to get his rabies shot and his second set of vaccines, we're gonna need basically a poop sample. So I'm like, oh, okay. So I'll do that. In 3 weeks when he comes back, I'll grab a poop sample and, you know, bring it in. So that's what I did. And that was his second appointment that I just went to. So a couple days after the appointment, the lady calls me and says, we found that Neo has a parasite in his sample. So of course I'm like, what, a parasite? He hardly goes outside. He was pooping on a puppy pad for the first like couple weeks. I really wasn't taking him outside because he hadn't had a second set of shots. So I'm like, how did he get that? You know, I'm asking her questions. Now the way my backyard is fenced in. There's no stray dogs or anything like that I would think he would get a parasite from. You know what I'm saying? So she said, well, sometimes they can get it from the breeder. So like that really tripped me out because I'm thinking I've had him for basically a month now at this point. And the first time I didn't bring in a sample because the lady didn't mention that on the phone. So I'm thinking he's been having a parasite for a month and I did not know it. And if I'd have brought in that first sample, we would have caught it early. So now I'm thinking like now he has a parasite for a whole month and I didn't know about it. And you know, it gets worse and worse, I would think. You know, I was thinking like things like that, you want to catch that early so you can treat it. So he's had a parasite for like a month and I did not know it. So, you know, I was just really tripping about that. So basically, she gave me a series of antibiotics. I believe it's antibiotics and the stuff that I was supposed to sprinkle over his food for 3 days. So I've done that. And his next appointment, he will be getting another sample of his poop tested, and they're going to tell me if the parasite is gone or not. The parasite is called Giardia or something like that. I'm put it on the screen because I might not be pronouncing it right. Basically, that's the parasite he had, and I'm hoping it's cleared now because I don't want to say that he still has, but he had a parasite, but he's taking his antibiotics and everything, and basically I'm hoping that he's clear. Okay, so I was really shocked because I would have never thought a new puppy from this nice breeder place that I went to, he would have a parasite. So I have to update you guys on, you know, to let you know if this has gotten cleared. cleared or not. So yeah, that's been a crazy little situation with him. I'm like, this is just, it's a lot, okay? With puppies, it's a lot. So I just want to let you guys know, like, you never know what's going on. So please take your puppies to the vet. Make sure they're getting checked out because you never know what's going on. Now, the symptoms they said that he should have had was like runny poop. He did not have runny poop. So I don't know. Sometimes I guess they could be asymptomatic and you not know at all that they have something like that going on. But yeah, no runny poop. Really no symptoms that they said. I didn't notice any symptoms that he would have had anything going on like that. So yeah, it's really crazy. But I'm gonna take him in here and I'm just gonna tell them what I want. I want basic. I don't want to do too much, not too fancy. I want him to still look like a handsome man, not all that fancy stuff, because he's a cool dog, okay? He's not one of those uppity dogs. He's a cool dog. He wants his look. He got his look and he wants his look. I just want him to get trimmed and look a little neater, okay? So yeah. All right, going in.
Who's in there?
Oh, that's Neo.
Hi, Leo. What is he?
Toy poodle.
Leo is a pretty pretty. You gonna go get the girl?
Yep, he is.
Uh-huh.
Hi. Uh-oh.
What do you have?
I have an appointment for Neo at 11:30. But this is it right here.
Yeah, perfect.
I'm sorry. You see yourself in there? Who is that? Who is that? I know. Oh, is that what it is? You hear the doggies. I know. You about to get out. You got a doggy in there?
It'll be less, but it'll just for the first time.
They're gonna groom him, like
No, I'll also groom
his
him.
fur?
Not like his back or his legs or anything like that.
Okay.
It's
his
just
face?
face.
Okay.
Yep, face, his under area, his booty, and then his paws. Shave those out.
Okay,
and
good,
clean up
good.
the feet.
Okay.
Get a bath and everything.
Yep.
Okay, good,
Yep,
good.
a bath, nail trim.
Yeah, because
all
just his
that
face,
stuff.
you know, like get in his
Yeah,
eye just a little
yeah.
bit. Okay, I was worried about that.
And it's another reason we don't want to start a groom that he's not going to allow us to finish, or something that we would have to force him to be able to finish the groom, and then have him be scared of grooming forever.
Yeah.
So it's pretty typical.
Right now.
Pretty typical for that.
Never heard him bark so much. This doggy's here, huh?
I'm here, friends.
My knee will be good, okay?
And then I'll have you take this with you too.
Oh, okay. I forgot his leash.
That's okay.
Yeah, I didn't think about it till I got here.
Baby. He's like, nope, I don't know.
He was so scared of that lady. He was scared. And it was barking in there. She said it was okay that he'd been treated. I asked her about the, I didn't want to just drop him off and they know about, you know, and not tell them about his situation. So I told them about it and she said that as long as he's been treated, he should be okay, and they won't take him as they have any mind-altering medications. So he's not on any mind-altering medications. So she said he'll be fine as long as he's been treated, and he have been treated. So that was good to know. They said he's done. I shouldn't even went home because as soon as I got home, they already talking about he'll be ready in 15 minutes. I'm like, oh shoot. So I really shouldn't even left. But yep, I'm going to get that man. Hopefully he did well. It was his first visit, so you know, I already know he gonna be mad at me. Hopefully he did good. I'm about to be there shortly. Hi. Okay. You're so cute.
Me look good.
He looks great.
Good. His coat felt really, really nice.
Oh, it did?
As far as brushing.
You got a bow? Yes, mommy missed you.
He's all ready for Easter.
Yes,
all
perfect
ready
for
for
Easter. You fighting hard.
Faster
You
moment.
pee-peed
I
on her?
did sanitary areas.
Yes.
His eyes, paw pads, everything like
Yeah,
that.
he had the little things in his eye. I was hoping you could get that. Like the little staining. You know how it does that?
Oh yeah.
Hi! Yes! He is so happy. Good job. You look great. That man did so good at his groomers. He looked fluffy. They gave him like a little afro. They give him a little fro. I like it though. That man looks so cute. Hi, yes. We walk around that store. Mommy did not bring his carrier in. I'm slow. I am slow. But it's all right. I'm going to just pay for him and get him out of here. I actually like the cut. Yeah, so when I give him a bath, it'll probably be more of his stringy look. But yeah, it looks good. Mm-hmm.